welcome back to another episode of Arbor Upcycle TV. It's been a while since we've seen you, but we're back and we've got a good video this week. This is a big, nice trunk of Sycamore. There's a few of these in the city. We don't get the super large diameter like you'll get up north or down south outside the city, but this is a really nice, really beautiful piece of Sycamore here. It's been out in the lot for I don't know how long. I've been just dying to open this up. So this is Reggie. Reggie's our master milling samurai now, and he's gonna build this thing up for us. So we're gonna get to see something real beautiful. Sycamore always has just some of the most beautiful lace grain in it. It's like a blonde, really light blonde wood with this gold lace grain in it. You can see it's got burl all over it. So we're gonna get some really wild stuff on this. I'm not really sure what to expect just yet, but I just know it's gonna be beautiful. So I'll have Reggie take it away here and show you guys what's going on.
All right.